What's up guys, MedTech here. Today I got for you the unboxing of the Gear Fit 2 Pro. There are two options for both size and color, and this one is the red diamond color and the small size band. So now let's see what's inside the box. We have our usual paperwork, the Gear Fit 2 Pro itself. It has a heart rate monitor on the bottom, the gorgeous Super AMOLED display. It has two buttons on the side, and it has water resistant up to 15 meters, making this one of the best fitness trackers for swimmers. You can see here the diamond pattern, and the whole thing seems very durable. Now let's put this aside for a second and see what else is in the box. We have here the magnetic charging dock. It looks pretty cool and it has a slim profile. Now let's see how it looks when you're using one. I like it. It's comfortable and it looks high-tech. I think I could sleep with one of these for the sleep tracking capabilities. It has all the usual fitness tracking abilities, plus internal storage, built-in GPS and Spotify offline, making this an all-around awesome fitness tracker. That's it for now guys, hope you enjoyed, cheers!